Are you looking to pay off your mortgage a whole lot sooner than the 30 years that you've locked into? I've got 3 tips to help you with paying off your mortgage early. You signed up for a 30-year mortgage, and that is 360 payments for the next 30 years. Imagine that. You've got to make this monthly payment 360 times. This is a great time if you are a homeowner, because right now rents are going up. So you've locked in this payment and you're saying to yourself, or if you're like me, sis, you're saying, where am I going to get 360 payments from? And I want to cut that down and keep some of that money for myself to save for something to do, probably go on vacation, do something else with your money, right? This video, I will share with you 3 tips on how you can go about saving that money and paying off your mortgage a whole lot sooner than 30 years. You want to stay to the end of this video because I'm going to share a bonus one with you. Great. Tip number 1. You want to budget to make extra payments throughout the year to your principal balance. Anytime you get any sort of extra money, take that money and send it to your mortgage company, and at the bottom in the memo section, write in capital letters, bold, highlighted, state that this payment is only for the principal balance. This way, it will reduce your principal balance, thus reducing the interest that you will be paying monthly on your loan. This way, you'll pay off your loan quicker. If that tip is something that you haven't done, or you are thinking of doing, or you have done it, share with me below in the comments section what you're doing and if you are going to use this tip. It's a great one to reducing your overall mortgage payment and paying off your mortgage a whole lot sooner. Tip number 2. Make bi-weekly payments. Usually most mortgage payments are due on the 1st of a month with a grace period of 14 days, giving you until the 15th of the month to make your mortgage payment. You would want to consider paying this in 2 payments per month. Whatever days, as long as you pay it before the grace period due date of your mortgage. If you haven't done so already, I want to take a break right now because we've got 2 more. Remember, I've got 1 more tip to share with you along with the bonus. Take this time now. If you are liking these tips I'm sharing with you, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't done so already too, subscribe to this channel and share this with anybody you know who is looking to save money and reducing the time they're making those mortgage payments. Tip number 3. This is a slightly different version of tip number 1. So this is where you will send an extra payment, just 1 payment, to your principal balance. This is going to be a 1 whole month payment to your principal balance only. A good time to do this is when you receive your income tax return check. Take that amount that equals to your monthly payment and send that to your mortgage company. And like on tip number 1, in the memo section, you want to put principal balance only in bold, capital letters, highlighted, so that, like I said earlier, it will reduce your principal balance, thus paying off your mortgage a whole lot sooner. Those are my 3 tips, and as I promised in the beginning of this video, I've got a bonus one for you. I'm sure you know this one, but most people don't think of it as paying off your mortgage early. Tip Number 4, the bonus tip is refinancing your mortgage. Thus, refinancing, meaning you are paying off your current mortgage to get either a lower payment or a shorter period of time of paying off your mortgage sooner. So you might have had a 30-year mortgage, interest rate is a little bit higher. You refinance into a lower interest rate. Thus, you might have the same payments. However, it reduces the time of your remaining payments. So you might have gone from a 30-year to a 15-year mortgage. This is a way you can pay off your mortgage earlier. If you'd like to know more information about this, or there's anything you want me to discuss in a video, share with me in the comments below and I will do a video on it. I truly enjoy doing these videos for you and I look forward to seeing you next week.